Hey everyone, welcome back. Good morning, everyone. And this is ICAP. Then I hit the bottle. Let's use this one. The cap. They keep all this one keep all the water in. No leak. But same thing with history. We preserve history from the beginning time to present and the future. With business startup to business closure, merger to solve whatsoever. Or damage. Yep. Even damage. In case of war, damage something, they'll come back. Or by disaster. It has to happen. Talk about invention, product, inventors, all that. Yeah. Okay. In Michael journal, I was talking about cars design. And because you can see that I'm wearing classic cars. You can see the bottom, but these are all muscle cars up the late 60s, early 70s. It was the time that they all wanted to have fat, thanks to the opponent cars of like the Mustang, the Camaro, the Firebird, and the supercar, the Corvette. And that's how they became out of that. But insurance companies said, oh, so they charge so much. And sales plummet. People had to buy regular cars, which still has that muscle car look. Like, for example, the Coronet, it became more sedan-like. And Thunderbird became more of luxury sedan. Things like that. Like the Riviera. The Riviera looks just like the Mustang. Look, back in 1960. Take a look at it. You'll see that. Then it became more of a luxury car. Until it just my just a little over 20 years ago. I miss those cars back then. Now if you want to buy one of those collectible, yeah, plus insurance. Anyway, car design, when you get the memo, if you have listened to Michael's journey, then that's what they would say, to that dimension, and then you have to do sketches of design made from very basic. It's be hard for me when I try to do this way. It won't go down any further, so I have to hold it up. We designed for me Snowmobile the same way, same format. They get the memo, they have to design. So let's do that right now. I design. I start out with the ski. Because that's the base point where I need to design. Always you have to do with the ground. The line. You can see the ski. Then I add suspension to that. Because that way it helps me to know the height of the sled, where it would be. And I add the A-frame suspension. Then the steering arm. Because you want to turn, of course. The old days, you don't have to worry about all that. They're all inside. It was just to leave the suspension. The old-fashioned way. Now I'm going to do the belly pan. Then I'm doing the hood. The windshield. Right now I'm doing the vent for the air to go inside the engine. You need to cool the engine. Originally there was free air. They didn't even have any vent, and it was the problem with the air. I've talked about that in October. The 1970 Arrow didn't have very good vent on the sky, very thin. It didn't work. So they had to design the belt put in between the headlights. They had twin headlights. I call them the eyes. The whole shape looked like a dark shape. Dark head. Yep, the head of a dark. So, that's how I began doing that. Then I get to finish the rest of the slot. I'm putting the handlebar down there. Putting the running board. Now I'm doing the shaft. Putting the back bumper. Putting the seat on. Tail light. Separating the hood from the belly pan. And put the reflector down. Both the very front and on the side. Then I define the shape on the gas tank. Now I'm doing the bottom with the track. I don't know if you can see me doing that. I could not get the phone down more. Sorry about that. Now I'm doing something else. No manufacturer has done that yet. To save on the weight, I'm cutting part of the tunnel, the shaft, with holes. Raining. I'm sure you think it's raining, no snow. I know, I'm in South Carolina. Anyway. I just put on some of the boggy wheels. Now I'm doing the fly rail. Now I'm putting the shock on the back. Putting the suspension on there. Then I have to put the screw down. Rivet. Now I'm putting the color in it. Of course, black and white, but still. It'll stand out better. I'm putting like a shadow. Where you put your foot in, so it'll look dark, look in depth. As you can see that so far. It's missing a flap. This is just very basic design, okay? It's all done. Now I have to design my name. 11/20/24. Now I have to title that what it is. You have to do it 5 years advance. We already had our 2025 model year this year, so you have to do it at 2030. Okay. You always have to underline any titles. Okay, now I sign my name and date, very important, in the title. That 2030. Whatever I named that. I want to tell you what that is. I've been doing that for years. Now, something new interesting is you can see that these are all cut out. That's cut all the way down. And I shortened it more so that it cut down too. If manifests, you can do that. Everything's all standard. So that's what it's like. It's about, it looks like it's about 105, 106 inches long slat. Not too long. Because I don't like it to be too big today. That's the slat I probably would written on. So there you have it on how car design, transportation design, is how they think they do it. It's just a few minutes sketch. That took 10 minutes on that. Because I'm talking to you. I would do this much faster in 5 minutes. These are sketches. Then they do it to color in with the marker. Sometimes the other media too. Pen, color pencils. I know I have gray right here, but they do that along with markers. That way it gives more third-dimensional feel about that. Now you understand how that works. Then it goes to more defined. They have to do it over again. When they shoot, you have to do it again so they can see it much better before it goes to Auto Studio. That's what it's called. Other companies have their own version of third-dimensional tools that you work with, like SolidWorks, for example. But SolidWorks is more for mechanical aspect of things. I like it. Wow, different. But it Auto Studio really get more like an AI would do. Today, without AI, oh man, make it so realistic. But I've seen a lot of mistakes with AI, I tell ya. Oh yeah. So, it's better to stick with the good old-fashioned way. That's the old-fashioned way. They are that. I'll see you next time.